Good morning everyone. This is a follow-up blossom video from my other video, which I'm going to link at the bottom. So the first video showed you a 30-minute daily art painting challenge, which detailed how to paint a sort of vintage style blossom painting. So what I then did was I painted it again with a different colour and a bit more of a contemporary sort of upbeat colour. And I decided to add that one also as a part 2, just in case you wanted to change the colours and lighten things up a bit. Not everybody always wants a sort of vintage style or vintage colour. And so just to let you know, the colours here that I used, and this is a very fast forwarded video because you don't need to see the whole thing again. You can obviously refer to my first video for the details. But on this one I did use the phthalo turquoise, which is actually one of my favourite colours at the moment. When you're Googling or searching phthalo, just in case you don't know, it's PTH. If you want to buy that, I used a Winsor & Newton one. I think it was the series 1, so it's a pretty good one. And I mixed it a little bit with some French ultramarine blue and obviously white, as you can see here. And then I more or less followed the same steps as I did before. And this just demonstrates that you can vary my paintings to suit your interior design and colour, or just whatever you know, just paint whatever you like. You don't have to do it exactly how I do it. So there you go. I'm not going to talk all the way through this video. You can just sit back, watch, enjoy, grab a coffee and enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget that the part 1 video is available, and that is more detailed with more comprehensive instructions, and you can paint along with that one because it's in real time. You know, don't forget to check that one out. It will either be linked at the end of this video or you can click on the link below. Okay, so if you like my videos, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I'm putting a new one up. If you have arty friends or a craft circle, then please obviously share and spread the news about my channel, and subscribe and like is the other one, isn't it? And yes, don't forget to watch my other videos also, and thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.